Merry Christmas, Sydney. What do you have?
I always wanted a new drum set.
Oh. Oops. Oh my gosh, you have fire sticks.
How do I get 2 sticks? I got 2 sticks.
Oh my goodness! What is all of this?
Dog McStuffins! How did he know I wanted Dog McStuffins? Hey!
What is that?
Well, Oopsie said. Hey! What's this?
Shoots and ladders.
It's a game.
We actually saw this. I saw this on the toy.
You must have known.
Santa.
Oh, and he ate.
Oh. I don't think the reindeer likes this part.
No, probably not. They ate what they wanted.
Play your drums.
What's up there?
You just got stuff everywhere.
Nail polish. Me and Kateri have the same thing now.
I know. He must have brought that for you so you could play bow and arrow together.
Wow! You must have been a super good girl. What's in these bags?
Let's see.
No, not those bags. What's in these bags? And I see another one down there on the floor. What is that? Want me to undo it? Here. Can I help? What is that?
Glow in the dark. Mermaid, just what I wanted.
Let me see.
Just what I wanted. We saw that in the store.
Look.
I wanted it. Right,
You did?
Mommy?
Oh, and Santa knew that.
She's beautiful.
Now I can play with her in my
Oh, and
bed.
it snowed last night.
What else is down there, Sydney? You got so many
Look at the
things.
snow. Did you know it was snowing out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sydney woke up saying, "It's snowing, Mommy."
Look,
What is that?
I can make cookies with it.
It's your own oven.
I can make my own cookie.
Wow.
Hey, look what's in my stocking.
Do you have another bag down
Wait,
here?
do you have another bag?
Just
Oh, no, I
here.
see a Santa bag. I see a
Here.
special bag from Santa.
Sydney,
Where?
Right here.
There?
Yeah.
is there something in this one? Look at the glitter on it. Look at the
See,
Santa and reindeer dust. Wait, whoa, okay. Whoa. Go ahead. What is in there?
Oh, I think it means
No, it's all right.
my own.
No, here.
headphones. You got some headphones?
What is that?
Right
What is it?
How do you turn it on, actually?
here.
What is it?
Oh, yeah, there it comes. Your own iPad, huh?
You told Aunt Julie yesterday that's what you wanted. Sydney, look at everything. Can you believe this? Look at this. tracked in my house.
He tracked reindeer dust in here. Santa
Can we
was
see
a
if
little
Did
messy.
he come down the chimney?
Let's see.